Coming up on Hayden the Mark's Travels, today we're taking you inside the incredible French Longere that became our home for 2 unforgettable weeks during our stay in the beautiful village of Saint-Georges-de-Bois in Charente-Maritime. This stunning traditional French property was the perfect base for our French adventure, filled with charm, character and those wonderful little details that make countryside homes in France so special. Join us as we give you a full grand tour of this amazing home, from the beautiful living spaces and rustic French features to the gardens, outdoor areas and all of the little touches that made our stay so memorable. So come inside, explore with us and discover the beautiful Longere that made our time in Saint-Georges-de-Bois truly unforgettable.
Good morning. So it's our last day. We're about to leave the house in a couple of hours, and we just wanted to take you on a quick tour of the house so that you can see what we've been enjoying for the last fortnight whilst we've been here. It really is quite a grand house. So we're standing at the main gate at the moment. This house is a traditional Longere or Charentaise property and has been owned by Daniel for 45 years. He's completely renovated it and it's just absolutely cracking. So if Hayden pans around, you can see we've got a huge garden off of the main entrance here, and then a lovely gravel driveway that leads to the house. So you can follow me around. It's got some beautiful shots there. Very generous gardens. And then the gravel driveway that takes us up to the house. So it's quite impressive upon arrival. Beautiful trees, lovely manifold gardens. It's been very hot, so the grass is a bit brown, but hey, that's the time of year. And we've got our car parking here. You can see we've got lots of little seating areas, beautiful potted plants. The geraniums are out. Daniel's a gardener. He actually has a garden centre which joins the house that he operates as well. So hence why we've got these beautiful grounds. You just look how stunning and sizable the property is. I mean, it's really quite impressive. Let's go inside. So, all the windows have shutters. Got the main entrance door, mind as you come in there. It's quite a dark house, but obviously that's quite traditional. It's to keep them cool. So I've put on as many lights as possible, but you come straight through into the main house kitchen, which is, you know, really lovely, very well kitted out with everything you need. And oddly, we do have a bathroom off of the kitchen, so that's one of 4 bathrooms that we've got. Obviously, when they're renovating these houses, they have to put things where the plumbing is, so it wouldn't, you know, be up to normal not standards, but legalities in most countries to have a bathroom off a kitchen, but that's how it is. Something's died in there. Sorry, that was me. Mind the rug. And then we go through into the formal dining room. This is quite a dark room here, but again, you know, nonetheless, it's lovely. Very, very, you know, furnished in traditional styles. We've got a big laundry and a bathroom that goes off of there. So we've had a washer, we've had a dryer, there's another shower. There's our towel pile now that we're leaving. We didn't use the dining room apart from using it as a charging station for all of our equipment, didn't we? But it's just, you'll see why as we go through the house. And then we go through into a hallway, which has the staircase, which we'll go up in a moment. And of course, this lovely study area that we've been using for our laptop. And this is where we had our massages. The table was laid out here and it was lovely. Had a cross breeze going through. You've got another bathroom here. This was Hayden's bathroom, the toilet.
Yeah. That's where I did my poo.
The grab rail was handy. And then you go through into the main sitting room. Again, another room we didn't use. Yeah, I mean, it's a bit dark, isn't it? But it gives you a feel. didn't make any difference whatsoever. But again, yeah, you've got the shutters on all the windows so that it keeps it cool, it keeps it dark. You know, I mean, how much furniture and how many cushions and lamps. Let me just check to see if these guys are okay here. Yeah, so this is one of the bedrooms. This is the room that Anne and Stuart were using, which has direct access out through the sliding doors to the pool area, which we'll show you as well. Beautiful. And we can come through this way. And then, very good. Oh, look, there's Tina.
Oh, Tina.
And then there's another bathroom Anne and Stuart we've been using, which is a really nice one. Very well equipped. Orchids everywhere, plants everywhere. Really, really lovely. You've got a little hallway here. And then we go through into the summer kitchen. So we've got the second kitchen here, and this is the one that we've been using because it takes us straight out to the outside area, the pool area and all the areas that we were using. So it made sense to use this. Ideal, proper country kitchen, big table, cabinets everywhere, full of crockery, cutlery, glassware, you name it. We've got a really good fridge there, dishwasher, coffee machines, you name it, we've got everything. And then not such a, yeah, you might want to just sort of skip this little bit here because it's got the overturned.
We'll go through.
Yeah, don't show the.
No.
Just, yeah, this is where we did our drying, washing and drying. We hang our clothes out here and it shows you the back of the house. And then it brings us back in to the hallway. Climb the step. And then we're going to take you upstairs. So you've seen one bedroom downstairs. And we go up the stairs here. Obviously we're packing now to go home, but we would consider this one probably to be the master bedroom. That's the room that we've been using. Again, it's a dark room because it's got the shutters on it, but it's beautiful. It's beautifully furnished with as many chairs as you could ever sit on. It's been very comfortable, isn't it?
Yes. Not a tad warm.
Yeah, it's been very warm. So the only thing probably that they could have done with would be fans. But hey, we tried to buy them and all the shops had sold out. They came back in stock a day ago. And then you've got a little, what you could call a kiddies room, I suppose, if they needed it. Nice big sleigh bed there. But come and see down the corridor, I mean, it's just massive. Minus step. All wooden floors. And then we've just got bedroom after bedroom after bedroom. Ample sleeping spaces and bathrooms for people. Another one here. All unused. There were just four of us staying, so most of the house we didn't need to use, but we chose it because A, the style, B, it gave people the option to come if they wanted to and were available, and C, it had the bigger pool and we wanted the space outside to enjoy. So it's sort of, you have to get the bigger house to have that. We were happy with that, weren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. And then you've got another, do the blue room. Hayden got the willies with this room, so we didn't use it at all. It was closed off. It's a little bit eerie, isn't it? It is a lovely room, but it's sort of something. It's like a Maltese bedroom that would be closed off, you know, and just used for show. I mean, it's a cracking room. Yeah, very, very, very. What is this French provincial? Is it this house, isn't it? Is how he's styled it, and you know that's a really big thing for people to do to get the traditional feel of what they would have been like.
And there's the little ginger-haired girl, look.
Yeah, there she is.
Ooh.
There she is. You just realised that.
Ooh, I've just got a shiver.
Go on, after you. Well, this room was kept closed off because the energies weren't quite right for Hayden, being a bit sensitive to energies, so this has been very much closed off. And then we've got, this is the bathroom that we were using, which has been really lovely, hasn't it? A massive bathroom. Very nice. Very nice. This was, yeah, double sinks, big shower. Again, just very, very lovely with the styling and nice shower in there, which is a rainwater shower. We've left them some toiletries because there's a little bit left there. But yeah. And that's the upstairs. Then what we'll do then is we'll take you to the outside and show you the pool. One step. The owners of the property love everything Moroccan, so they've made sure that they've used plenty of artwork and objects that remind them of their travels. Tina's still here. Hello. Hello, Mom. Are you
Hello,
alright?
Tina. Hello, darling.
Lady of the moment. This is the owner of the house. She's come for dog treats, haven't you? Are you in charge? And then here we are outside. This is where we've spent most of our day. By this beautiful pool.
Isn't that right, Tina?
On those lovely sun lounges. There's some wonderful food on that black plancha over there. And here's our dining table where it's all been happening. And there's the pool filter going. That's great. And then do you want to go to the aviary? Mm-hmm. Go through the that's all in the pool. A true print moment.
You gonna go, Tina? Yeah. Go on, Tina.
We'll go out to the aviary now.
Come on, darling.
Through the Jasmine Arch. To see the birds. And this is the aviary. We've got some lovely birds in there. Hey, darling. Hey.
Good girl.
Just occupied. Okay. So yeah, really, anyone who's coming to this area looking for a house, it's absolutely stunning. And the village is called Saint-Georges-de-Bois. If you're interested, but hit us up for any details and we can put you in touch with the owners directly if you're looking to stay.
Thanks so much for joining us on Hayden and Mark's Travels. We hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful French Longere that we were lucky enough to call home for 2 wonderful weeks here in Saint-Georges-de-Bois. If you've enjoyed this tour, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you never miss one of our adventures. Next time on Hayden and Mark's Travels, we're heading into the heart of the village as we take a leisurely stroll through the charming streets of Saint-Georges-de-Bois and make our way to a local boulangerie to pick up some deliciously freshly baked French bread. Until then, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next adventure. A bientôt.